So hello everyone.
Hello.
Welcome to the new day and new vlog. Today we have with us our beloved Muntasir, and we thought that today we'll discuss about the very first semester when we came here and the subjects that we took in our first semester of masters in computer science. In one of the videos we have discussed about what are the subjects we took in summer semester, right?
Okay.
23, and then winter semester 23-24. But I think it's also important that we get to know about the subjects
we took
chronology
first
in first semester. We would also come down to the individual subjects, but let's have an overview first. And if we start, what are the
first I would say that if you come in winter semester, you will have some different subjects offered. If you come in some summer semester, you have different subjects offered. So it depends when you are coming. But in the first semester, we both came in the winter semester. So among the subjects offered, we took two subjects, that is SRES, Safety and Reliability of Embedded System, and QMQA, Quality Management, Quality
Assurance.
These two subjects are offered by Professor Ligesmeyer. But I would say it's not like always the name would be same, because we saw that for QMK it was like quality management at first, then for some time
quality assurance,
and then they merged it. So it can happen for your when you're looking for the subjects, you might not find any QMQ or SRES.
Correct.
But search for the professor as well. Professor Ligesmeyer offered these subjects in winter. And I would say these are like quite good subjects to get some good grades.
And we took them in our software engineering major.
Correct.
Also we took requirement engineering, we took product line engineering. Apart from that, I think we took in supplement
in supplement we took data visualization
in supplement. And one more subject we took in supplement, German. So which level you did it?
For me, German was A1, so that was not my supplement, but that was actually my mandatory course that I have to. When you come here, you have to submit your German certificate in within 1 year. So I had to do A1. And for A2 you get 6 credit.
Correct. So I took A2.1 in my very first semester because I did my A1 in India. So A2.1 I did here, and I think also we took requirement engineering, as we said, product line engineering, QMQA, SRES, data visualization, and German, as we told. So if we talk about the block, so the first 4 subjects that we told we specifically took in our major software engineering.
We didn't take any subjects from intelligence system for the first. Actually, we did some classes for continuous model of complex system.
Correct.
For intelligence system. So that is another subject you can take. The professors are quite chill. You can go. The classes are very short. You can go to the class and do the classes and take another this subject as if you are doing intelligence system. But later we didn't give the exam. Not a specific reason. It was colliding with our another class.
Actually, it was continuous dates like 6, 7, 8. So on 7 we had CMCS, 6 we had SRES, and 8 we had a product line engineering, something like that.
So that's why we dropped the middle subject. That was CMCS. Otherwise,
that was CMCS.
That would have we have taken it as well.
So and one more thing is that we attended class of quite good subjects, right? Because at the end we deregistered CMCS, but we tried to attend different classes of many subjects.
So that's a good point you said. I would say at the first, when you come here, just attend as many classes as you can, because after don't assume that I will take these subjects, because after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, you will realize maybe this is not good for me, but this is good for me. So try to attend as many classes. If the exercises are mandatory, complete the exercises. And then after the exam scheduling period is like November 15 to December 15. So by that time you will understand, maybe this is I'm getting a good point, this is I'm not getting a grip. So but don't decide it at the first. At least decide some subjects, maybe what we have suggested. That's one you can attend class and do. And especially if your major is different, then your point of view will also be different.
Correct. So I think this is important, and also the thing is you can attend the classes, and the advantage of registering and deregistering is that only that you can register those subjects, and then later on you can deregister if you feel like that, if you get to know the examination date, or if you feel like that I will not be able to give the exam this time, so then you can also deregister it. So I would say that you can attend as many classes in as many sections like software engineering, intelligent systems, or whatever your
Data
major or minor
visualization
is.
as well.
Yeah.
Data visualization, I think on the visualization and other something credit.
Yeah.
So that's the 4 credit subject. So we did that.
Correct.
That
So
supplement.
yeah, this is a good point that you talked about. Although we'll discuss about each of the subjects that we gave the exam for, and also tried to attend the classes in separate videos.
Correct.
But we took these 4 credit subjects. So all these subjects, if we combine our credits, so it was like 4 credits, 5 subjects. So like 20 credits.
20 credits.
And also if you are giving German, then you get 6 credits more. So it depends on the level that you are giving. You can now even get 3 credits. So it depends on the level that you are giving for when you will be coming in upcoming semesters. So but yeah, if I talk about, then from the subject overall we covered 20 credits.
20 credits. One can ask that, if 20 credits is enough, 20 credits is not enough, how much? Sometimes people target for 30, 35. It depends person to person.
And also semester to semester.
Semester to semester. But I think first semester 20, 24, 26 is good enough.
Correct. So because you get to know about the idea of the subjects, how they are, how you have to attend the lectures, what are the exercise, means methods that you have to follow,
how to follow
approach, and also how to give the exams. Because when we had continuous exams 6, 7, 8, we thought that at least we need some time for preparation, because it is our first time giving the exams in RPTU. So that's why we followed our pace. You can have your own approach, your different pace, but this is what we followed. So it's like
apart from when you are selecting the subjects, another thing to keep in mind is the exam date. So when you are registering, for us it was quite good that these 4 or 5 subjects we had quite some good time before the exam date.
Yeah,
so
we checked the exam dates as well.
The exam dates while selecting subjects.
Yeah, that was also one of the criteria for us to select the subjects in first semester.
Correct.
Now also when we selected our subjects in third semester, we got to know the exam dates. Okay, we have how much gap we have, or when we have the presentations and everything. So I think this is also a good criteria to keep in mind.
Subjects,
and I think yes, we took 4 credit subjects. Some people can give 8 credits. I think we have.
We got some. I have just heard about one person who came in first semester, and it was his first semester on summer, and he took machine learning and he finished machine learning.
Yeah.
So that's like almost a very good thing for you.
So it depends on which semester you comes or which intake you come. And also it's not mandatory that if you are coming in summer you have to give 8 credit. You can even give that in whatever time plan. Just go. One can go with his or her own pace, right? And yes, so these are the 4 credit subjects that we took, and the supplement was German. So I think that is also a good thing, because some people have this question as well, that should we take German orientation classes? So even if you don't attend the orientation class of German, you can still join the German evening classes and can get your credits if you are doing maybe from a 2.1 onwards.
Correct.
So that will also count in your supplement block, and also you'll get to know about the procedures. So this is the procedure or the approach that we followed. And if we just summarize, then data visualization, product line engineering, and requirement engineering,
software safety and reliability of
embedded systems,
quality management, and
quality assurance, and and German. So these are some of the subjects that we took. We'll get down. We are also thinking that we'll make a video about those individual subjects, so that we can tell what are these kind of subjects and what was the exam like. So just stay tuned, and rest like, comment, share, subscribe. It doesn't take much time. Bye bye. Ciao ciao. Namaste.
Assalamualaikum.
Chalo.